Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Power Reading. This is all about the Paper Bag Princess. Now, I know that this is a book that you were given in your first learning pack. So I know that you can ask an adult to read it to you, or have a go, see if you can have a go at reading some of it yourself. I'm sure there are some sentences that you can read yourself. And as the first 6 pages, we're going to have a look at these words. So we know that beautiful. Can you think of a word? The word that I really like is elated, isn't it? It means pretty, nice, but a more powerful word is elated. So think expensive. We know that that means that it costs a lot of money, don't we? Smashed. Now we thought of lots of words for this, didn't we? Where it was broken, it was damaged, destroyed, ruined. Okay, wonder if you can think of now a knocker. We know that we can knock on the door, but we know that a knocker is something that is actually on the door, don't we? Fierce. The fiercest dragon, isn't it? The fierce, it means it looks the scariest dragon. And fiery is where it actually breathes smoke out of its mouth. Now then, we're going to have a look at some questions together and see how we can find the answer. Now, some of them are literal questions. They are where the answer is actually in the text. We have got to be detectives. Some we've got to find the meaning of the words. Okay. Now then, the first question, it's in blue, look. We know it's a question because it's got what. What is the name of the prince? Okay, and it gives you 4 options, doesn't it? And when it gives you 4 options, it means that we've got to either circle it or tick it. Now let's have a look. It says, oh, I know. Let's see if we can read them words together. It says Raymond, Arnold, Ronald. Oh, we've got E, and we've got the soft C, Reese, and then we've got Richard. Then if you look on the first page in your book, we know the princess is called Elizabeth, and it says that sentence, the third sentence says, she was going to marry a prince named Ronald. So we know that the name of the prince is Ronald. So it would be the second one that we'd circle or tick. Now then, this question, it tells us Elizabeth was elegant princess. She was an elegant princess. And I've already said, what does elegant mean? So we've got to think about the meaning of that word. We said nice, awful, beautiful, ugly. Now we know that elegant, we said it was pretty, don't we? And in our text, there's a clue what the word is, because the first sentence says, Elizabeth was a beautiful princess. She was a beautiful princess. So we know that the word we would tick. The third one would be beautiful. Now then, this one it's got a line, and it means that we have to actually write an answer. So, where do they live? And we know it says, look, she lived in a castle. So you could just write castle, or you could write they lived in a castle. Either one. Now then, This question again asks us to write the answer on the line, look. So it says, what had the dragon left a trail of? And if you go to the page where you have got Elizabeth on the path and you look at that text, it says he was easy to follow because he left a trail of burnt forests and horses' bones. So again, it's where you've got to be a detective, where you've got to look in the text and the answer is there, look. He left a trail of burnt forests and horses' bones. Now then, this is where we are up to. Look, if we turn on the next page where we have the princess with the dragon at the door, look, this says find. So we know that we've got to find and copy the word that means the prince had closed the door loudly. So we can find the door, and we know that the word is, and we know it's loudly, so he slammed. So the word that we would write on there would be slammed. Now then, I've gone through this with you to help you and to help you understand the first 6 pages. Now on Tapestry, I'm going to put a comprehension sheet that you will be able to access and see if you can answer some more questions by yourself. And I would love it if you could send me it.